Okay, we're gonna sneak in here and wake up the birds. Here we go. Don't know why that was put up there. Okay. Good morning, my lovies. Good morning. There's the wing stretches. You are so precious. I love morning time. Okay. Let's get the big cage open. Good morning, my babies. Oh, all the big stretches. Yes, we love it. We love morning time. Hello, everybody. Hello, my babies. It's going to be a fun day today. Little bit of nibbles. Okay, we'll be back for some more fun later. Have a good day, everybody.